Hello, it's your girl Linda, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I'm back again to teach you another line dance. Make sure you go over to my Facebook page and like my page at Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing. This next line dance I'm going to teach you is called Last Call. Now, it's a little challenging, but I'm going to challenge you to challenge yourself to go to the next level. Just as our body, the muscles in our body and our mind, we must exercise them and challenge them to go to the next level. So I know it's going to be a little challenging for you, but I'm challenging you to push yourself and go to the next level. When I look at line dances, I'm always looking to challenge the people in my class, to challenge their mind, and also to challenge their muscles in their body, because muscle has memory. So you got to keep mixing up your workout. Okay, so it's last call, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. Here we go. Okay, this starts on the left, so you're going to step back on the left. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and left, right. Again, 5, 6, 7, and left, right, left. So that was a step back on the left, right, and then it was coaster step on the left. Left, right, left. So you step back, left, right, and then you do your coaster step. Left, right, left. With that left leg forward. Here we go. 5, 6, back on the left. Left, right, left. Let me show you from the side. Step back left, right. Coaster step, left, right, left. So that left leg is forward. Again, 5, 6, back on the left. Left, right, left. Okay? Again, 5, 6, back on the left. Left, right. So both times you step back left, right, then do your coaster step back on that left again. Adding on. So that left leg is forward. I want you to step back forward on the right. Right, turn. Left shoulder move forward. Quarter turn. 1, 2. So don't make it one move. Make it 2 moves. The first move, the left leg is forward, right leg is back, step forward, 1. Both of your feet are together, and here comes your quarter turn with your left shoulder moving forward. 2, going forward. 1, 2. 1, 2. So let's put that together. Back on the left again, your coaster step, step up on the right, that's 1, and then turn on 2, quarter turn with your left shoulder going forward. 5, 6, 7, and left, right, left. 1, 2. Okay, again. 5, 6, back on the left. 1, 2, coaster step left to right, left, up on the right, 1, and then turn on 2. Adding on. Right leg, right, left. Right leg, right, left. Right, left. Right, left. Just alternating. So your left leg is forward, you go back up on your right. Right, left. Right, left. That's like a tempo change. And that's what really challenges your muscle when you do things at different tempos. Slow, fast, directional changes. Okay, so let's start back from the top. Stepping back on the left, coaster step back on your left, step turn, and then pony up. Right, left. 5, 6, back on the left. Left, right. Turn, right, left. Again, back on the left. Left, right, coaster, left, step turn, quarter turn, right leg, right, left. So when you practice, make sure you learn those steps before you move forward. It might take you a little while. Just go back and keep repeating until you get it. 5, 6, back, left. Left, right, left, step, turn right, left. Again, back on the left. Left, right, left, step, turn right, left. Left, right, step, turn right, left. Again, 5, 6, back on the right. Left, right, left, step, turn right, left. So let me do it from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, step, turn right, left. Right, left. You just alternate it. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, step, turn right, left. Adding on. Now, so we went right, left with the quarter turn. That right leg, I want you to swirl, twist. So it's left, right. Left, right. So let me show you from here. So we pony up. Right, left. Swirl, twist. Swirl, twist. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay? So let me add that because it's kind of quick. So you don't need to make a big movement. You don't have time for that. 1, 2. 1, 2. And you just really transferring your weight back to that left leg. 1, 2. And twisting on that right. 1, 2. Right, left. Because when you go right, left, the weight, right, left, is kind of like on your right leg. You swirl, bring the weight back on your left, and you twist on that right. So, back to the top, back on the left. 5, 6, 7, and left, right, left, step, turn right, left, swirl, twist. Swirl, twist. So let me take it from here so when I do the swirl twist, you can see it right in the camera. Back on the left. Left, right, coaster step, turn right, left, swirl, twist. Okay? So once you do your swirl twist, I want you to go back into that right, left, which is what I just taught you. Swirl, twist, right, left. Swirl, twist, right, left. So do that twice. Do that again. Okay? From the top. From here. Back on the left. 5, 6, 7, and left, right, step, turn right, left, swirl, twist, right, left. Again. 5, 6, 7, left, right, left, step, turn right, left, swirl, twist, right, left. Just take practice. 5, 6, back on the left. Left, right, left, step, twist, right, left, swirl, twist, right, left. Again. 5, 6, 7, back left. Left, right, left, step, turn right, left, swirl, twist, right, left. Adding on. So I'm going to shuffle left and I'm going to shuffle right. So I just did my right, left, shuffle left, shuffle right. So I shuffle left, shuffle right. So I went right, left, shuffle left, shuffle right. Now I'm going to do a half turn, pivot on the left. Pivot, turn on the left, right. So that was a half turn. So the first turn I made was a quarter turn. Then I made a half turn. So from here, I start from this wall, I make a quarter turn. From here, I shuffle left, shuffle right, make a half turn, now I'm facing this wall here. Okay, from the top, back on the left. 5, 6, back on the left. Left, right, back left. Left, right, left. Step on the right. Step, turn, right foot. Right, left, left. Left, left, twist, right foot. Right, left. Shuffle left, 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 right, right. Pivot left, pivot, turn. Heel is up. Left, right, left. Left, right, left. So that was a half turn. Left shoulder move forward. Pivot on the left. Pivot, turn. 1, 2, 3. Left, right, left. My right heel is up. Point, side. Point to the front, to the side. Right heel is up. Right, left, right. Front, side, right, left. Front, side, right, left. Here's the last part. Slide, tap, tap on the left. It's a 4 count. So let me show you this from here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left foot. Kick 1, 2, and kick 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. On the left, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Kick left, kick right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And left, left, right, left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then you back at the top. So let's put it all together. 5, 6, 7. Back left. Left, right, left. Step, turn, right, left. Swirl, twist, right, left. Shuffle left. Shuffle right, half turn. Pivot on the left. Left, right, point. Point, side, right, left. Slide, tap. Kick and tick left and then kick right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's kind of fast. So let's put it all together. 5, 6, 7. Back left. Left, right, step, turn. Let's start over. 5, 6, back on the left. Left, right, left. Step, turn right, left. Swirl, twist right, left. Shuffle left. Shuffle right. Pivot, turn. Left. Point, tap, right. Slide, tap. Kick 1, 2, 3. From here, up on the back on the left. 5, 6, 7, and left, right, left. Step, turn right, left. Swirl, twist right, left. Shuffle left. Shuffle right, half turn. Step, turn, left. Point, side, right, left. Slide, tap. Kick 1, 2, 3. Kick 1, 2, 3 from the top. Left, right, left. Step, turn right, left. Swirl, twist right, left. Shuffle left. Shuffle right, pivot, turn. Step, turn, left. Point, side, right, left. Slide, tap. Kick 1, 2, 3. Kick 1, 2, tap. So let me put the count to it now. 5, 6, back on the left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Again, left, right, left. Step, turn right, left. Swirl, twist right, left. Shuffle left. Shuffle right, step, turn, left. Step, side, right. Slide, tap. Kick 1, 2, 3. Kick 1, 2, 3. And back at the top. So make sure you go to Let's Mess It Up, Soul Line Dancing, and find this line dance. Watch it first, then come to this instructional and just take it step by step, take it slow. Please challenge yourself to go to the next level. I know you can do it. My name is Linda Sims. I'm the Who Dat teacher. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.